Hello friends and family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a tour of my Christmas decor that I have. So to start off with, I wanted to show this cute tiered dessert tray that I found at HomeGoods. And I really love like the snowflakes and everything. That's really pretty. And as you can see, like I decorated it with some ornaments. I have a Noel ornament here that I found at Hobby Lobby. My mother-in-law gave me this cute little gingerbread. It's like a gingerbread block, a snowflake block. It came in a set. I believe she got that at Walmart. And then I put some mason jars with some peppermints in there. I have some chocolate sprinkles, and I plan to use like these little desserts like in the hot chocolate. Oh, and I found this at the Dollar Tree. Isn't it adorable? It's a little gingerbread house. They only had 2 when I went, but it was really, like, when I first saw it, I screamed. I don't know, I just have a thing for gingerbread this season. I'm a goofball, but yeah, I decided I wanted to have like a little dessert tray for your hot chocolate. Oh, and this little gingerbread girl, I found her at Michael's. I have the boy too. He'll show up right now. Not that one, but that's actually a decoration that my mother-in-law found for me. I believe she found it at Walmart as well. Isn't it adorable? It looks almost like a real cookie. Like, I want to eat it. And then I have some jam that my coworker gave me. Another mason jar. I put some marshmallows in here. Those marshmallows are like, they're infused with vanilla bean, and I found them at Target. They're actually really delicious. The bag didn't last very long, but I'm glad I saved some in those little mason jars. Oh, and then there's that little gingerbread boy. I got him at Michael's as well with a gingerbread girl. And I have another little block right there that came in the set. I found this mug at HomeGoods. It's a gingerbread mug, and I decided to stick some peppermint candy canes on there for the hot chocolate. Like, you could use those as a stir. Let me see what else. Oh, I have another ornament here, another cookie tipped over. Oops. And right here I'm just showcasing that I stuffed it with fluffing. I put some desserts. I stuck some Oreos in that mason jar. And this is my favorite tier, the top tier, because it's the chocolate tier and all the Mickey decorations. This is the glow cube that I found at a Disneyland resort. And then this one is actually a straw topper, like you for a bottle, like you screw it on a water bottle or a Coke bottle or anything. And I have another cute little gingerbread house. That's part of the set that came with it from the Walmart set. Another cute little gingerbread man. He's adorable. Oh, I have marshmallows here. But yeah, that's my kind of my dessert tray / hot chocolate topping tray. Oh, and my straw topper, I wanted to show off how cute it is, like the peppermint Mickey. See right there, you can screw on the water bottle. Okay, and then right over here we have a mini Christmas tree with more little mini Christmas trees, and I found those at Walmart. They're from the previous year, 2018. I found this cute little decoration at Dollar Tree. Write your own story. I just love that quote. It basically just reminds me to make my own path. And I got this tree at Target last year as well. Those decorations are from Target. The little beading is from Target. The twinkle lights came in a set that I bought at Sam's Club. It came with like a set of 6 for like $9 last year. That was a really good deal. But yeah, this is my little tree. Little snowflake topper. All of that came from Target. And I love those twinkling lights because they are automatic and they shut off. Okay. Heading on over to my kitchen. There's not much to see here, but I did want to show this cute Oogie Boogie Man. I found him at CVS for like $5, and I had this extra wreath that I found at Hobby Lobby. I don't know what I was planning to do with it, but for some reason I decided to stick Oogie Boogie in the middle of the wreath, and it just it worked. Ain't he a cutie? And I'm obsessed with like that kind of wreath. I believe it's called lamb's ear. It's a frosted lamb's ear. My mother-in-law got me and my fiance these cute snowman Mickeys. Oh, and I found this Ray Dunn. Is that how you say the name of the artist? Ray Dunn. A sign at Home Goods. Joyful, merry, blessed. Right here, I'm just like trying to fumble with. I'm trying to fumble with the snowman. I couldn't figure how to turn it on. Like, it took me forever. Nope. Fail. Yeah, I think I just fiddled with the snowman. It shows a projection light, and that's what I'm trying to like. I'm trying to turn it on for you guys, but I couldn't. Oh, couldn't get him to show the light projection. I couldn't turn on the cup. They're cute. Okay, and then as we make our way into my little living room, this is the first couch. I love all my accent pillows. I bought the Tale as Old as Time. It's actually a cover. It's not a pillow. It's the cover for your pillow. It came in a set of 4. It's that one and the Believe one. And there's 2 other ones that I'll show in a bit that came in that set. But this is one of my favorite items of the season. And then it's this peppermint Mickey plush. It smells like peppermint. Very, very delicious. So cute. It goes perfectly with my decor. I got this furry pillow at Target. I love buffalo plaid this season. I mean, every Christmas I love that pattern. But I got that at Home Goods. And this is my most favorite item of the season. Gingerbread Mickey, y'all. He was sold out, and my fiance miraculously found one. I don't know how. I don't know how that man does it, but he found one for me because he knew I was obsessing over it. Like, I missed out on buying it at the parks, and you guys, it's sold out. It's like it was an exclusive. They haven't brought him back. Maybe he'll come back next year, but we'll see. On my other couch, those 2, Jingle All the Way and Let It Snow, that came in this set with the Amazon Tale as Old as Time and Believe. I got that green pillow, Hobby Lobby, and Heaven and Nature Sing. This blankie is from Target, and I love the white, green, and red pattern. It's very, very festive. And then on my countertop, I got that centerpiece from my company party for free. I'm the person that takes centerpieces home from events. And then here is it's actually my fiance's Mickey necklace. He already has another one, but this one was Mickey shaped, so he was like, I need it in my life. It's really cute. Oh, that little house that you see right there, I got that at Target in the $5, $1 section last year. This is another piece, the Mickey popcorn bucket that it was very sought after this season. It's really pretty. It lights up. It comes with a lanyard, but I took it off because I wanted to just display it as decor. Mickey's adorable. Look at him. And it has different settings too. Like you can change the light settings differently. I love it so much. Shout out to my mother-in-law for waiting in line to get me one. Here I am showcasing my accent decor pillows. Isn't Gingerbread Mickey so cute? On to the tree. I got this tree at Michael's this year. I believe we paid about $140 for it. That sphere is from Hobby Lobby. The ribbon is from Hobby Lobby and it has a little bit of red accent. I have these frosted berries that I found at Hobby Lobby as well. I bought a bunch of them. The larger frosted berries. What else? Oh, those are from Michael's. I didn't like them. The little snowballs fall off really easily if you're not careful. Nope. I wouldn't recommend them. They're stems and I just stuck them in the tree. And this tree is actually, it came pre-lit. A flocked pre-lit Christmas tree from Michael's. Again, it was a really good deal. Yeah, don't like those branches. I just stuck them in the tree because I felt like it gave it a very rustic feel. I was trying to go for like a winter wonderland with pops of red. And I wanted to keep it really simple because this is me and my fiance's first Christmas in our apartment. And we didn't have any Christmas decor before this, so I just want to collect decorations throughout the years and, you know, just create a collection. I didn't want to go out and buy a crazy amount of decorations, so I kept it simple this year. I'll buy more next year. Right here is our coffee table, and there's a hidden Mickey. Watch. Wait for it. Wait for it. Boop. Hidden Mickey. I got this plant from Michael's. I got those, what are they called? The cup holders. I can't think right now. My brain is fried. From Target. This is a zipper and it jingles and it changes color. It is so cute. Those are more Mickey. It's a Mickey necklace that we got last year during the Christmas season at Disneyland. Oh, this candle is my favorite brand from Hobby Lobby. It's like the number 88 and it smells like balsam and cedar or something like that, but it's very piney. It smells so good. The whole brand of candles from Hobby Lobby, those specifically, like the ones that have a number, amazing. Here's my mantle. D for Daniel, E for Erica. I got those stockings at Target. I got this wreath, this garland in the wedding section at Hobby Lobby. It's not a Christmas wreath. It's more, as I mentioned in the Oogie Boogie wreath, it's lamb's ear garland. Those berries I got at Hobby Lobby. I got the nativity scene at Hobby Lobby as well. Gave it a very rustic look. And I added twinkle lights myself as well. It came with that set that I mentioned earlier from Sam's Club. Yeah, that's my mantle. Or a fireplace. It's really not a fireplace, like it doesn't really heat. It's more for decor. There is our little living room. I hope you guys liked this video. I wanted to showcase my Christmas decor. As a first-time apartment owner, renter, we didn't have any Christmas decor prior to this, so all of these items are things that we have purchased throughout the month of December, and I'm so happy with how it came out, and I can't wait to collect more pieces. Each piece is a memory on its own, like, you know, it's just the memory of having a tradition of collecting items. But thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for sticking around. I hope you got inspired by some of my items, and I'll see you next time. Thumbs up.